This is my mail. No touch. No touchy. No touch. Especially you. Even though... Oh, I'm sorry. Hey guys, my name is Nutch, and welcome back to A Hat in Time. In the last part, we finally found the time rift in Mafia Town, and I gave into temptation, and I thought I opened that. Oh, well, never mind. And in this part, we're going to go back to the Battle of Birds, seeing if we can find the time rifts there, and maybe completing this chapter while we're at it. Oh, wait. I cannot complete this chapter quite yet, because... yeah, I'm missing a key item, so we're just going to be looking for some time rifts. So this is the first one. It's going to be a purple one, and this one... No. That's on the train. So this is more accessible if we go to Act 1. Because all the other acts are in the movie sets. Alright, skip. Speed running. Can I skip this, please? Yep. Alright, we know where to go. We've been here before. I don't want to talk to him because I'm kind of broke of all my pawns, so I can... No. Did it just say weird little girl? Alright, speed run! No, I thought I got caught. Penguin harassment.
Let's make this movie happen! Owls! In position! Action!
What if I knock over that? Assault on cactus? I'm not mistaken. It's over here, right? Indeed it is! Ooh. Time Rift Deadbird Studio. Wow. A different atmosphere, sort of a cave system going on here. Oh, what? Okay. I guess we need to collect maps of some sort, or drawings, or whatever they are. Oh my. Okay. Are you serious? Okay, how the heck am I gonna do this? Oh, let's go. Got the crown. And there's a crown up there. Okay. Ooh, almost fell in the water. Wow. I don't remember doing all this because in my... Oh wait, no. I have done this because in my first playthrough of this game I've gotten all the hourglasses in Deadbird Studio, so why don't I remember this? Okay. Aha! There's another one. There's a crown down here. Something tells me we're gonna need the crowns to open that. Or not. Oh. Aha! Let's go. Did I get everything in here? Oh, no I did not. Drop. Drop. Ow. So yeah, we just found another time rift. What can I talk about? That's the thing. Ooh. I got something planned for next video, because tomorrow is Halloween, and I got like there's something I want to do for that video, a very certain act I want to see if I can pull off. What's this? It's a piece of paper pinned to this crate. It's a receipt for a bunch of props. For a bunch of prop supplies. Weird, seems like someone snuck a copy of Corgi Quest 7 onto this order, but it seemed to have been delivered properly. Looks like they've got a crate of fish instead, huh? Oh my. Well, what are you gonna do? Can I open that? No, I cannot. Alright, this area seems to be like a maze of some sort. Ah, no! Well, I collected it. Does this count? Oh my god, it does. Oh, let's go. I cannot see where I'm going. That's better. Over here. Is that? Ooh. I haven't used a brewing hat in a while. I've just been relying on the sprint hat too much. It's a good hat. It's even better once you upgrade it to get the scooter. Alright, yeah, that requires 200 pounds for that. How many crowns do I need? I need 4, so I need 1 more. Aha. Oh, wow. Ah, no! Okay, I'm gonna find it. Oh, took me back here? Are you serious? Anything around here? There's something over there. Alright. Just run over there. Aha. Whee! Got it! Ooh, I see you there. I think I don't see you there. Ooh, there we go. Love the double jump. Now, there's another one up here. So, I want to time my jumps really good. I cannot see the camera. The camera's not working with me. Okay, that's good enough. So, climb up here. Do a dash up here. Actually, no. Go up here. Climb up here. Okay. Aha! Oh boy. Sneak around that. Get the crown. Alright. Nice! Go over here. You see there's another one down there. And here we go. Up here, and that opens. Can I get in, please? Thank you. Alright, so we're kind of close. Oh, now they're running around. Ooh. Perfect. I can make that jump. Oh, did I unlock it already? Now they're just generous! No! You don't see me. You clearly don't see me. You got these panels. They remind me, again, of Mario Galaxy. Of those blue and yellow tiles you need to like step on to access another area in a galaxy. Oh no! So something tells me we're gonna do the exact same thing here and access. Ooh, I see you over there. I wonder what you get from collecting all of these, because we got 5 out of 8 so far. That's pretty good. Alright, get out of his field of vision. Climb up here. Jump over you. Jump over you. Alright. Alright, it seems like we've just been going up. Oh. Okay, we can't do anything about that quite yet. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go here. And see if I can dash across here. There we go. Oh. Too easy. I say this and I'm going to fall. Alright. Back to... Oh my lord! That was too close to comfort. Jump. Jump. That's what I get for saying this game's easy. It can be challenging if you, like, don't know what you're doing. Just to make sure we got everything in this area. Seems like it. Alright, let's head into the pipe! Oh, it's going red there. Oh! Oh! Oh, okay. Oh my lord. Okay, cool. That seems like everything. Wow, we got a lot of puns from that. Wait, what the heck? Looks like an Xbox or something. Just to make sure, can I open these? No. Can I come up here and get something? No. Wow, Aha! There we go. Aha! Wall jump. Let's not get that hourglass quite yet. We still can explore this area. I think I was missing... Oh, I'm missing 2 of them. Can I get through that area, or is it just a mirror? Looks like it's just a mirror. Alright, well, we got an hourglass. That's good enough. Oh. Is this... Oh! Conductor and Grooves. Big dreams. Okay, so we... Oh, that's them when they were kids. Years later. Oh, okay, so there were pictures. So this is the backstory of these guys. Oh, yeah, I couldn't find the rest of them. Something tells me that since they got the same key for Deadbird Studio, they had an argument to see who gets to run the studio, so they are in competition with one another to see who can make the better movies. That's what I'm guessing. But other than that, reroll. I'll take it. Cookie dough. Ooh, I love Stop with the rare stickers. I can't go there. Well, I don't want to go there quite yet. Man. Alright, I think we have time for another time rift. So this is in... Okay, yeah. So this is definitely on the train. So let's go back into Act 2. Get to see our uncle's sister again in the background there. Get away from me.
But if you had a pet, what do you think the name of your pet's childhood pet would be?
Get away from me! There it is. The Owl Express. Got some gear shifts this time. Alright. Ah, here we go. Yeah. Another mechanic. Step on those. And can I climb this? How do I... Oh. Nice. There we go. Can I make it on that jump? Of course I can. Hey! Get out of here. My pun. Oh, these things move fast. Jeez. Oh, my lord. Okay, same thing here. Gonna step on these. Nice. I don't need the... I think I need it. Wish they would drop like hearts for me. Nah, I'll keep the sprint hat on. I like my sprint hat. It's gonna crush me? Oh my gosh! Alright. Sure, why not? There we go! 15 hourglasses. And another roll. I don't want another color. No. Booski! Santa's hat. Okay, I'll take it. It's not Christmas, but I'll take it. Now, I'm pretty sure that's all we can do for now. I really don't want to go there quite yet. Looks like a sleeping cat, but if we got a new color, let's check out this one. Oh my god, that's freaking adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh! We got 2 areas we can unlock. We've just been blazing through these missions. Just to double check if we have done everything. Cheating the race. Can't do that quite yet. Check here. We've done that. Alright! We've done everything so far. So we can't access the final act quite yet. Because we still need to do Act 4. But other than that, we've quite done everything so we can. That we can. So, next time on A Hat in Time, for the Halloween special, we're going to be going to this new world. Giving in to temptation, and seeing what lies ahead. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.